uh, entertainment,
Okay.
and the last is what is it?
Announcement?
Yeah, announcement.
Yeah,
Yes,
I
I forget
hear a
it.
little bit about BBC.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so many items from BBC.
Yes.
Wow, that's great. And also free of charge,
Yeah,
right?
free of charge.
Okay, for a smart
People can
listener.
visit
Okay. What?
for Rotterdam every Sunday.
Okay, every Sunday meeting. So for a small listener want to come in BBC, just come free of charge. And so many items you can get in BBC. Okay, we're talking about tonight. We talk about international pageant, right? Okay.
Yes.
So for a smart listener want to join this night, just comment on YouTube channel Smart FM Makassar, or please tell us on WhatsApp 0811461011 on WhatsApp. Just comment and YouTube channel Smart FM Makassar. Okay, we continue about topic today about
Okay.
international pageant. Okay, I want to ask from Brother Alam. Okay, for you, what do you think about international pageant?
International pageant, I think, is a one of a contest that judging by beauty, knowledge,
Okay.
talent, and knowledge about this happen in the world.
Yes. This is the main things, knowledge.
Yes,
not
main thing
only
is knowledge.
beautiful.
Yes,
Yeah.
not only beautiful, but traditionally, first time they start to make this competition, they start only by judging by beauty only.
Okay. So knowledge and also beauty.
Yeah.
Okay,
That's right.
that's a good opinion. How about Brother Ryan?
Okay, the international prestige is the contest that have only woman that is in that contest, and also the judges is also the woman. So like Miss World.
Yes.
So there are many women in there who is have many knowledge about their country. How about their capability
Yes.
in it? Okay.
So international pageant not only beautiful, but so many things we consider it if you want to join in international pageant, like also knowledge, and you have to know more about social enthusiasm, also economic, because you have to be proud of Indonesia if you want to join like Miss World, like Brother Alam said. Okay, talk about international pageant. So many people want to be like Miss International, Miss Universe. So what is like have you? I have to say like tantangan dalam if you want to being like if someone why they can be like Miss International, it's not easy, right?
Yeah.
What do you think about this?
If you want to join to be a Miss International, especially Universe,
Yeah.
should be high knowledge and should be have a good looking
Yes, of course.
beauty or something like that. And also should be have talent in speeches, or they have to improve that skill so that become can facing the other country.
Yes. Okay. Thank you from Brother Alam for your nice opinion. How about Brother Rian?
What the question?
Okay. Tantangan, I mean like to
The-
being like Miss Universe to represent for Indonesia. How difficult to be like yes like this.
Okay. To be the one of the
Yes.
Miss World,
Yeah.
there are a lot of sacrifice. Like they have to have a lot of knowledge, and they have to like sacrifice a lot of money.
Yes,
And
of course.
and I think that's a difficult to achieve.
Yeah.
And yeah, we have to be proud of our country because there are a lot of knowledge women. I mean the clever one.
Yes.
Yeah, I think that's all.
Yeah, to be like to want to join international pageant, you have to sacrifice a lot of money. Yes, of course, because so many like tahapan. If you want to be step by step. If you want to be international pageant, yes, and not only how difficult you to join in international pageant, but you have too many preparation, so many preparation if you want to join in international pageant.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, but okay, later we here. Don't go anywhere. Stay in Smart FM.